Hello guys, in this video we will see how to make a quiz on bookwidgets.com and how to share it as well. So this gives you lots of interactive learning exercise opportunities. So for your students, 30 free trial days, actually it's a nice chance for beginning. Then after 30 days, if you want to keep using the same account, then you need to make a payment. Okay, so let's go create a widget over here. So since I was planning to make a quiz, then I just click on quiz. But before I go to quiz, let me just go down to show you the exercise types over here. As you see, the first part is test and review. The second part, games. The third part is pictures and videos. And fourth one is math, like embed, third party, and the last part over here. So lots of exercise types over here. Then let's go create quiz. When I click on it, so this page is coming to my screen. Then I just click on add question. It comes with so many types of questions over here, like adding a text, single line text question, mark sentence, drag words in sentence, question table, whiteboard question, like word match question, like recording question. They can even record like their voice as well, and matching. So I already made a one quiz. That's why I will go to the quiz that I made it before. So let's say I just made a quiz with four questions. I can also just change the settings over here, like allow sharing, save, restore answers, correction options, scoring options, lots of opportunities, lots of settings that you can make. Okay, let's say I just finished my quiz, then I just want to preview before I share it. Then I just go click on preview. Okay, first question is asking put the vocabularies in order. So after they put them in order, they can continue with the second question. So second question type is matching. I gave them Turkish vocabularies and English ones as well, they do match. And third question type is fill in the blanks in the sentences. And last one is do matching again. So but this time they got sound, so I recorded my voice. It also gives you to record your voice for making a question. I put Turkish ones over here. Okay, then let's say they're done with all four questions, so they just click on submit and they put their name and click on send button. Alright, now as a teacher I can also check their results. So as a student, since I was just viewing student, like as a student, clicked on preview, like students also see the answers whenever they submit it, like this. So after making the quiz, I can just share with the students. So I just go click on share button. So you can either copy the link and share with students through email or message, whatever you prefer. Another option is sending the link through Google Classroom. Like if you already have a Google Classroom set, then you can just go like share the link through Google Classroom. So once you just finish the making quiz, you just copy the link and share with your students. So then I click on student work. I clicked on before as well. So then I go click on quiz. Then I can see the result of that student. So since I previewed and didn't answer any question, then it shows as 0. Normally when you make a question and you put the right answer under that question, it can like automatically grade it by yourself as long as you put the right answer. Let's say you're making multiple choice question and you pick the right answer, then it will show you like the graded result as well. So it shows as green if it is right, if it is not right, and like this. And let's say you make a single line question and you put the right answer, so as long as the student is making the right answer, then will show as green as well. So it is basically uh, whenever you put the right answer under that question. And didn't try all the types, but some general types like multiple choice, open-ended questions, as long as you put the right answer, then uh, it gives you like automatic grading system. Alright, thank you so much for watching. So hopefully next time I can make another video with different type of uh, exercises in this website.